Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to unbox Pokemon Booster Box Scarlet and Violet. Let's see what's inside here. This is 32 packs in like a display box. Opens up this way and slides over. Oh, come on. There it is. Beautiful. So 32 packs. Let's see what we'll pull from them and see the pull rates and what we can get. So we'll open one pack at a time. Let's see. Reverse holo and a holo. So guaranteed 3 holos in one of these packs. What we're looking for especially is EX or better. Full art and all those gold cards. Okay, that's a nice one right here. Let's keep going. Go to pretty quickly. By the way, this box so easy to open and it's really satisfying. I like that. Okay. Okay, that was a good card right here. Okay, just a holo again. Okay. We'll see how the first half will do versus the second half. Code card. All the code cards are the same. Black borders. Oh, that's the first one. The hit. EX will take it. First hit. Reverse holo. Trying to go as quick as possible, but at the same time to where it's enjoyable, you know. There's a lot of cards to go through, or a lot of packs to go through, and see what we will hit. Okay. These packs are absolute joy to open. I like it that it's not too hard to open it, it's not ripping, it just unsticks so well. Holo. Okay, so far we're sticking with one hit, one EX. But we're looking for that big hit, right? Let's see. Okay, just another holographic. Ooh, a nice one. Great Tusk EX full art. We'll take that. That's a little better card. That's what I'm looking for. Let's keep on going. That's 2 hits so far. Ooh, another hits. Starly full art. We'll take it. And there is another hit right behind it. Butternet EX. Sweet. I still have a long way to go to fill up the binders. So we have 4 hits in the first half, just like that. All of them comes in like 1 or 2 packs back to back. 3 times? Nope. Another holo. Okay, will it stay consistently with hitting like 2 hits in 1 pack? Let's find out. Ooh, nice. Magnazone EX. That's good. I have that one, so we'll go into the trade to fill up the binder. Back to back, not this time. Trainer, Hala, I'll take it. Again, so satisfying to unpackage this box. Oh, that's a good one right there. Okay, another Hala. Okay, I feel like we're going to hit one more hit at least before this half. So we have like what, 5? Let's end the first half with 6 pulls before the end of the half. Let's go. Reverse Hala, and the last pack in the half. Will we have 5 or 6 hits? Then I need to change the battery. It's dying. Let's go. Nope. So 5 hits in the first half. Let's see how the second half will do. Will we do 5 more at least? I hope so. Let's go. Big ones. Ooh, nice. Wiglet, full art. Do not have that one, so we'll take it. Okay, the first hit and second half came a little sooner, which is what I need. Okay. Okay, that's a good reverse holo. Ooh, Arcanine EX. I really need that card. That is awesome for the plain deck. We'll take that. Awesome. That's really, I need like a couple more actually to build up a plain deck with those EX. Rare candy. Let's see. Reverse. Reverse. Ooh, nice. Gardevoir EX, that's a good one too. Wow, okay, the hits are coming quite a bit sooner. On the second half, will we get another one? Back to back, let's go. Never know. I think I see something. Nope, just a holo. Okay. Still have potential to make more than 10 hits. We have quite a few packs left. Let's go. Make a little mess over here. Ooh, nice. Juck. Oh, that one is a trainer, full art, shiny somewhat. I'll take that hit, a really good hit. Awesome. Okay, keep trying to organize my desk a little bit. Okay, quite a few more cards, and what are we? 9 hits? Yes. Looks like second half will be a little better. We'll take it. Okay. Rare candy. Oh, nice. I like that rare candy in a reverse holo. That's good. Ooh, nice. Oncology EX full art. Sweet. So we are at 10 hits now. Okay. How many more will we get? We have quite a few more packs. Looks like 3, 6, 7 packs. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Ooh, nice. Another one. I'll take it. It'll be a good card for trade. So this is 11 hits. Reverse holo and a holo. Okay. 4 more packs to go. Let's do at least one more hit. That'd be cool. Or a double hit, even better, in one pack. Ooh, nice. A Toad School. I have that one already full art. We'll take it. I'll be good to take it for trade as well. Awesome. So 12 hits. Okay, just a holo. Okay, 2 more packs. Let's go. Let's see, one more. Okay, and one last pack. Let's see, and there's my result. Will be 12 or 13 hits. Let's find out. Twelve hits. I'm happy with the booster box. Last card. There it is. 12 hits. Lots of holographic ones. Beautiful. Some new full arts I do not have. EX trainer. There you go. Don't have this one's going to fill up the binder, and I need a bunch of those for playing deck. Wiglet. Awesome.